Hey guys, it's Nikki here with LifestyleDIYW and welcome to my very first white Christmas tree unboxing. Make sure you follow, like, comment, and subscribe on this video. This is from the National Tree Company that I ordered from Amazon. But I'm so excited to unbox my very first white Christmas tree, especially for day 3 of the 7 days of DIYMAS. So make sure you watch those other videos in this series. But let's get started on this unboxing. I'm so happy to bring it for this space. I hope it looks great in this area, but let's get started. Hey guys, it's Nikki here with LifestyleDIYW, and today I'm bringing you my first white Christmas tree unboxing. I ordered this Christmas tree from Amazon and it came from the National Tree Company, and so it's an all white pine, and we're going to inspect this baby to see if it matches up to what I'm really looking for. I really wanted to do all white trees this year, and so I bought 2 from Amazon, and I'm hoping that I like this one. This is the 7-foot tree. I usually get something like 8 foot for the first living room, but this year we downsized a little bit into a smaller white tree, and I really couldn't find a white tree that I really liked. And it's kind of hard to pick trees online, right? Of course, because you can't touch it, you can't feel it or anything. So we want to unbox this baby from the National Tree Company and see if she can stand the test of time. So let's get started. So let's get into this box. So see that this is the pre-lit 7-foot pine, and it looks, guys, I can't even tell you, I hope it looks fuller than what it looks like right here. I know I have to do some work on it, so I'm not gonna overthink it at the moment, but I just hope that we can fill in these. I'm not even gonna worry about that. This comes in 3 pieces. It comes with the loose sand and the tools. This is so nerve-wracking ordering Christmas trees online. This is my first time ordering a Christmas tree online. I usually go to like Lowe's, Home Depot, or whatever to get a Christmas tree, because you can see the Christmas tree. That makes it difficult is that you really can't tell the material, right? Even though they tell you what it is in the description, but you really cannot tell the material. And it's just from the National Tree Company. I believe this was $210. Don't quote me, but it'll be in the description box. And this is the top part. And what I like to do, because I'm already taking out the top, I like to kind of fluff it out while I'm taking it out instead of just waiting until it's all together. Only because instructions. It also comes with instructions and extra light bulbs just in case when you plug it up, they don't work. And that's another thing. I don't like ordering pre-lit trees, but at the same time, I do like ordering pre-lit trees because you don't have to worry about light bulbs. Like my 10-foot tree doesn't have any lights on it. So that right there, you're going to know. So I'm just gonna pop off one of these caps. And this is a 7-foot tree. I'm not even 5 feet, so it's gonna make a difference. Okay, so we got the first level in there. What's crazy is that this tree is not blocked, but it's just itchy. And I'll just leave that. These 2 pieces on top. It looks a nice 7-foot tree. I don't know if it's nice for this area because usually the trees are a little bit more bigger. So I'm kind of disappointed that it's very slimline.
Go for a walk as the hope is just today. Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's great to look around like this month. And go right. It's the steady kind that doesn't mind the snow.
Have you ever had a white tree before? Leave me a comment in the description box below. I would love to know if you guys have ever decorated with white trees. Give me some tips. Whatever the information, I accepted. I had such a great time filming this video. I loved it. I'm already ready for a Decorate With Me series as well coming up. And yes, this is the day 3 of the 7 days of DIYMAS, and here's the schedule right here. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long and too crazy for you, but I really love this white Christmas tree, guys, and I had an amazing time with you today. So happy holidays, guys.